A new update to the Downloader app has just been dropped, and it has come with some big changes, which I will discuss in detail in this video. This update is applicable on both the Firestick and Android TV devices, including all devices where you can access this app. So right away, you'll notice a quick start guide explaining some of the new changes introduced in this update. One of the biggest changes in this update is the way the interface is organized. Previously, the app had separate home and browser sections, but now the browser is integrated directly into the home screen, which makes the app simpler and easier to navigate. Everything is now centered around the URL bar at the top, which is where you enter links or shortcodes. Another noticeable change is the new sidebar menu. Instead of staying permanently on screen, the sidebar now automatically hides when you're not using it. This actually gives the browser more space on the screen, making web pages much easier to view and interact with. To open the sidebar again, you simply move your cursor to the left side of the screen or highlight the Downloader logo. Another small but very useful feature is the new number shortcut button next to the address bar. When you click this icon, it immediately opens the number keypad, making it faster to enter Downloader shortcodes. If you prefer typing normally, you can still select the URL field and use the standard keyboard. One improvement that a lot of users will appreciate is the larger browser window. Because of the redesigned interface and auto-hiding sidebar, the browser now gives you significantly more screen space when viewing websites. This makes navigating download pages much smoother on a TV screen. There's also a useful update in the Files section. Previously, if you wanted to clean up downloaded installation files, you had to delete them one by one. Now you can simply open the menu and choose Delete All Files, which removes everything instantly. This makes it much easier to free up storage space on your device. Another improvement I noticed is that cursor movement inside the browser feels smoother and more precise. I remember when I had to try a couple of times before I landed my cursor at the right spot. Another interesting change is that Downloader can now function as a default Android web browser. So if your device doesn't have another browser installed, Downloader can automatically open web links from other apps. If you want to get this new version of Downloader, the update should install automatically if auto updates are enabled, but you can also update it manually. On Android TV or Google TV, simply open the Google Play Store, go to Manage Apps, and update Downloader. On Fire TV devices, open the Amazon App Store, search for Downloader, and install the latest version. Overall, I think this update has improved the app experience in many ways, but I will give you a chance to comment on that below this video. For more Android updates, follow Black Joseph.